If you're wondering how to integrate Mailchimp with your CRM, this video will show you exactly how to get it done seamlessly and start automating your marketing like a pro. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a way for you to use this integration completely free with some awesome bonuses. To kick things off, let's start by understanding why you would want to integrate Mailchimp with your CRM in the first place. By connecting your CRM to Mailchimp, you can sync your customer data effortlessly, allowing for better segmentation, targeting, and more personalized email marketing campaigns. This integration is especially useful if you're managing a large database of contacts and want to streamline your marketing efforts. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Mailchimp account and head to the integration section. Mailchimp supports integration with a variety of CRM systems, such as Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho. Most CRMs have built-in integrations with Mailchimp, so you won't have to worry about installing any third-party apps. Once you're in your Mailchimp account, click on the Integrations tab and search for your CRM system. Next, you'll want to link your CRM to Mailchimp by entering your CRM's credentials. This will involve either logging in directly or authorizing Mailchimp to access your CRM's data. Once you've done that, Mailchimp will sync with your CRM and pull in all relevant contacts, so you don't have to worry about manually uploading lists every time you want to send an email campaign. The third thing to do is segment your audience. Now that your CRM is integrated with Mailchimp, you can start segmenting your contacts based on certain criteria like purchase history, demographics, or engagement with your previous campaigns. This allows you to send targeted and relevant emails to specific groups within your database, which leads to higher engagement and better conversion rates. The fourth thing you should know is that Mailchimp allows you to automate follow-up emails. With your CRM synced, you can easily trigger automated email sequences based on your CRM data. For instance, you can set up an automation to send a welcome email when a new contact is added to your CRM, or a follow-up email if a contact hasn't opened your email in a certain amount of time. These automations can save you time and increase your engagement, all while keeping your emails relevant and personalized. After that, you'll want to test everything. Send a test email to make sure that the integration is working properly. Double-check that the data you want from your CRM is appearing in Mailchimp correctly, and that your emails are being triggered as expected. The last thing you want is to send out emails with missing or incorrect data, so testing is a crucial step in this process. One more thing to keep in mind is tracking performance. Once you've set up your integration and launched your campaigns, don't forget to track how they're performing. Both Mailchimp and your CRM should give you detailed analytics about your emails and customer interactions. This data will help you tweak your campaigns for even better results. Before I wrap things up, remember that this integration is not just about syncing contacts. It's about using your CRM data to drive more personalized and efficient email marketing. So, take the time to set it up correctly, and you'll see improvements in your marketing automation in no time. And before you go, don't forget that you can start using this software completely free with an exclusive extended trial linked in the description below. You'll get all the features you need to integrate Mailchimp with your CRM and start automating your marketing efforts without any upfront costs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below for your free trial.